Guys, I apologize there's not been a, quite a video schedule or accurate video representations recently. We've moved, if you couldn't tell. We have moved. Everything is moved and everything is all over the place, but we're trying to get it organized. We have Caitlin and Brad and Megan helping us get this move together, move squared away. This is a temporary move for unknown amount of time for right now till we get our final move ready. But yeah, we're trying to get everything in the RC room squared away. Watching Harley Design Scale News update over here while we're getting this ready. But one day fill you guys in while I was getting everything ready. We got the cool truck shelf mounted on the wall. It's sick. We're gonna build another shelf to go beside it. I'm trying to get up like a filming area so I can actually bring you guys a proper video and a proper review of the Bamboo Labs P1S. It's been an interesting journey for me with the P1S. I don't know if I'm broken or it's broken, but we're gonna find that out soon.
You might want to put it a little bit higher. Don't worry about the holes too much. Yeah.
Alright, so we are at day 2, technically 3 of setting everything up. We have the other shelf built and mounted with trucks on the wall. Left a little bit of room over here to bring more trucks from our previous location to this location, and I'm really excited about it. We have these mounted, they're going to look sick. They don't look exactly level. This one looks like it's in at the bottom, but it's not. They're 20 inches at the bottom, 20 inches at the top, 20 in the center. So I don't know why the camera's kind of doing that to us, but I'm really excited to have this stuff put together. It's really coming together, and I'm very excited about it, boys. I'm very excited. Okay, so I do apologize for the noise in the background. I have the printers running, trying to get you guys' orders filled as fast as I can throughout the move and everything. I had to get those boys up and running right now. The Bamboo Labs P1S, its review is coming soon. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it. We have not had the greatest success rate. Our success rate with it is probably 25-30%, and then we're still using the old upgraded Ender V2 Pro, and our success rate with that is about 95%. So yeah, iffy on the printers there, but orders still being filled. I apologize for the delay. I will promise I'll make it up to you guys. It's going to be worth it. So in this corner is going to be where I'm going to film from right now. We are going to film from here over. Here's the trucks behind me. There's the sign right there. We got another little stand. I still have more trucks at our old location I got to bring here. Here's where the filament, some other stuff I use is stored, all of the charging station. Then we have products up here that need to be like trimmed or gone over and quality controlled before they're shipped out to you guys. Just random prints here and there. And this is going to be the main workbench where we're working. The bench is still the same. We still have our soldering iron, Dremel, all of that good stuff right here. A little pit light. Under the table I got my paper towels, my brushes, and then the ProTech RC pit bag with all my tools in it. And coming from this side, switching around, I have stuff I still have to unpack. I've got to figure out where I'm going to put the garage to take pictures with and stuff. We still have this whole box of goodies that are just like, this really just has brand new parts in it. That's all it is. So I got to figure out where to unload all that stuff. This is going to be Brad's desk. Brad has to figure out kind of how he wants to organize his desk and do something like that. A little filing cabinet, a little label printer. This is my PC, and this is kind of my little office temporarily for right now. We got the Raptor at the top because I've been working on products for that, and you guys are going to be really excited about the products coming for it. I'm very excited about them. Got the Ender 3 V2. Got the Bamboo Labs printer stationary. I just took 2 prints off of that printer and kind of everything like that. Caitlin has her little shipping department down here how she wanted it, so she can sit in the chair over here and kind of package stuff and grab it as she needs. I felt like this was due. I know it's kind of like not super professional. It may not look like 'cause we're all in a room right now, but it doesn't mean we can't be professional, guys. I just wanted to give you this in-depth look. I felt like you guys deserved it. I really wanted to give it to you, and I want to keep that like wholesome, just kind of friendship we have going on here, of how we're super transparent with everybody and we just kind of have what's going on. This is our workspace for now, and I'm very excited about it. We have AC, we have everything we need in here, and it's going to be very good. We're working on our next permanent location. For some years will be a permanent location coming in the coming months, hopefully being there before Thanksgiving. Crossing our fingers, but for right now, guys, this is what we're working with. I'm still gonna be able to bring you guys the quality products. I still can design everything. We still can ship all of you guys' stuff, and we still can make some cool videos and work work on our trucks and tinker. I apologize for the delay, but this has been worth the wait. We needed this move. We needed this new little kind of temporary location to kind of get in between things, and it's going to pay off big time, and it's so worth it. And I just wanted to keep that transparency. I wanted to keep that wholeheartedness of just like, guys, this is what's going on. This is our status. And just let you guys in on a day in the life. All this being said, though, guys, I do need your feedback. I need you to drop a comment. Do you like this current film setup? I'm going to still have the overview camera coming from the overhead right here so I can show you what I'm working on and how I'm working on it. I'm going to give you guys that cool background. But do you like this studio? What do you think about it? There are ways you can make it better. I understand it could be a little better, but for right now it's what we have, and I'm super happy to be able to work with this space. It is a really cool space, all in all. It's just a room full of all the good RC stuff, and I'm really excited about it. All in all, guys, though, what do you think about this space? I love it. I think it's killer. I'm really excited for what we did. I know there's a little humming back there. It's a printer printing you guys' orders, so I apologize about that, but I'm not complaining. Thank you guys so much for your orders. Keep them coming. New products are on the way for the Raptor R. I'm really excited to bring those to you. I can't wait to get our hands on the Kyosho Tacoma, kind of like pre-runner kind of vibe like the Raptor R. And I'm really excited to bring some products for you on that one and kind of do a head-to-head comparison on those. Thank Caitlin for helping with the whole move, and thank Brad and Megan and everything for all they've done. It's phenomenal, guys, and I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know this is going to give me an awesome opportunity to provide you guys that same awesome quality content that you guys are used to and accustomed to and deserve. Now I know you've assessed the background, you've kind of noticed something, but have you noticed what I've noticed? Have you noticed our new addition to the stable? It's not a hot new truck on the market. It's not the hot new VRD by Vanquish, even though we're getting that very soon. But it is an old classic, guys. It is a classic. And it is a good old Caitlin Facebook Marketplace find, and I'm super thankful to be able to have it. Super cool Facebook find. Here in front of us, we have an old classic VS410 Ultra, guys. Amazing deal. Could not pass up the opportunity. Not an entire fan of the whole body scheme. Now exactly how you see this girl is exactly how we picked her up, just like this, with the raw 500 Reef servo, the Mamba X brushless system, and everything. All I got to do is add a receiver and a battery, and we are ready to hit the trails. I've always wanted one of these things. Just never bought one at the time. I was more into racing, not necessarily the crawling when these guys were hot and popular. But we have one now. Not really a huge fan of the whole paint scheme we got going on here, but it'll do for right now until we get another body and paint it up with some QCRC coloring. But yeah, I'm really excited to have this. This thing has no use on it. None of the outdrives have any abuse or use to them. This guy drove it a few times, he said, and kind of got into boats instead of the crawlers. So posted it up for sale, and we picked it up. I'm really happy about it, really thankful for it, and got a new truck for the channel to bring some products for you guys and just kind of bring some more crawling stuff. And now Caitlin has a Vanquish. It's probably going to perform exactly like the Phoenix almost, but nonetheless, I'm just excited to drive it. We've had this thing probably about 2 weeks now, just sitting on the back burner because all the move and everything. I haven't even had time to touch it, so I haven't even put a battery pack in here and driven this thing yet. So we're going to try to get out this weekend and drive it and see how she does. And the foams in these tires are quite rock solid though, and I'm not really feeling the wheels, so we'll probably swap out the wheels and stuff, but I'm really digging this and really digging this. It's cool to have all the Vanquish stuff. I would love to get my hands on a Ripper, but I just can't justify the price of those things. It's just, it's a little insane. Damn! That has been a solid QCRC update and a Quaid update for the QCRC stuff. This has been an in-depth kind of look. This has been, what's going on, what is happening behind the scenes. Why haven't I been doing consistent videos? We also had a vacation with Caitlin's family to the mountains. It was her annual family mountain trip, and I was lucky enough to be able to be invited this time since I'm, kind of part of the family now and tied in. So that was really cool. Really good time to get away for a little bit and just experience some relaxation with the family. We also have our annual Tail of the Dragon trip coming up in next week, so there'll be some more car content coming here. RC stuff's going to be, I'll try to get a video out before we leave for the Tail of the Dragon next week. With this guy and just some trail riding of a new trail we found locally. I'm excited about that, get us all out there. But it's going to be a little car content, getting the M3 ready. We got to get new tires put on her. I have a big wing for the back and some more cool stuff there. I got to change my lips out from a show wing to my track lip so it doesn't get destroyed again. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's more of a different style video, more of a kind of in the life, what's going on behind the scenes. Wanting to be transparent with you guys and show you guys exactly what goes on behind the scenes here. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, please guys, leave me a like. If you thought about subscribing but you're kind of on the fence, go ahead and hit the button. Go ahead and get over your fear and hit the button and subscribe. You're not going to regret it. Awesome stuff is coming your way. Awesome stuff is always arriving. Now that we're here, now that we're kind of settled in and getting all snuggled and cozy, we're going to start being more attentive. We're going to start having weekly videos. I want to do multiple videos a week on different things and kind of start like a set schedule for you guys and kind of get everything in line so you know what to expect and when to expect it. It's not really fair if you guys just kind of throw a video here, throw a video there and all that stuff, but I'm trying to get on that set schedule now. Thanks to the move is complete. We're going to be bringing that to you guys. I love you. Thank you so much. Hope you have an awesome day, morning, night, afternoon, whenever and however you're watching this video. Hope you have an awesome time, and I can't wait to show you what's to come.